Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a weather location for Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this you'll need to first enable the weather mark, and it's right here. And to do this you can watch our previous video or simply go to the taskbar or enable or disable the widgets to have it here. Then select the weather, click on it. Right here there should be this weather mark, so click on it again. Let's go back because I click on these three dots right here, customize the widget, and now you can search for a location. So let's go for Warsaw. You can change the units from Fahrenheit to Celsius and press save. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.